Upgrade your career with the IBS Executive MBA Program. Welcome to the Executive MBA Program from IBS Hyderabad. An Executive MBA program offers numerous benefits for career advancement. Provides advanced knowledge and skills in areas such as leadership, strategy, and decision-making, which are essential for high-level management positions. The program enhances opportunities for networking due to a diverse class group of working executives. You can develop valuable contacts, often leading to business and career opportunities. Earning an Executive MBA demonstrates a commitment to professional development and can enhance credibility and prestige in the eyes of employers. The IBS Executive MBA, with its focus on practical applicability, can enhance your ability to perform better in your current job, leading to promotion and salary increment opportunities. Listing your IBS Executive MBA qualification on your resume will make you a more marketable candidate for better jobs. Please contact us for details. We are happy to help. Thank you.